Welcome to the PowerMe Getting Started video podcast series. This is session number 1. In this session, you'll learn how PowerMe can help you stay organized. Oftentimes, I like to get started by making a list of tasks. To add a new task, you simply tap on the Quick Task option or the Add option in the toolbar. If you're not sure of the due date or the other specifics at the time you enter the task, no worries. You can always open the task detail page and add them later. As you add tasks, you'll begin to build a task list that will show in your inbox. This is where tasks that need attention are found. When you've finished making your list, go ahead and close the PowerMe app and take a moment to ponder your brilliance. Okay, that's good. And we're back. Now that you've added some tasks, the next step is to think about how you'd like to organize them. With PowerMe, you can create custom projects and folders where you can organize the tasks you've created. For example, I started by creating some projects. In the project titled Work, I now have a place to add additional folders, sub-projects, tasks, or documents that are specific to my work. Of course, you have the flexibility to organize your projects and folders in the way that makes most sense for you. I've just found this method helpful in keeping my PowerMe workspace less cluttered and easier to navigate. Now, let's think about where you do specific tasks or projects. There may be some tasks that you'll complete at the office, others you'll work on at home, and other tasks you can do while you're on the go. Remember, since you're mobile, you may find opportunities to complete tasks just about anywhere. This is where filters come in handy. PowerMe allows you to create custom filters that give you more flexibility in how you can view and access your tasks and projects. Say you have a coworker named Joe who you meet with on a weekly basis. Add Joe as a filter, and when you create tasks or projects with Joe, you can simply select him as the filter, and that task or project will appear in the filter section when you tap on his name. Once you get the hang of using filters, we think you'll agree it's a cool little feature. So let's put it all together. If we go into the project called Work, you'll see I've added folders, sub-projects, documents, and tasks. Let's add another task here. Again, you can add a task by tapping on the Add option in the toolbar or by tapping on the Quick Task option in the toolbar. Enter the information in the Task Details screen. This is where you can select a filter and change the status. You can also select a start date, due date, and add a reminder if you wish. I like to prioritize different tasks by selecting the Highlight option. In the navigation pane on the home screen, you can see which tasks are highlighted and which tasks have a due date. You can also see all of your tasks, whether they're highlighted, not highlighted, have a due date, or don't have a due date. When you're finished with a task, tap the checkbox and the task is crossed out as complete. Feels good, right? Or swipe the task and tap the Delete button. But I'm getting ahead of myself. You'll get all of that in session number 2. See you then.